So over here you can see that I have a video layer right here, and if I were to go around and see, then the video is opaque, meaning all of it is visible. So what you can do by using HitFilm is you can go around and then change around the opacity envelope right here to make it transparent as well. So to do that, if I were to go around over here on the video clip, you can see this line right here. So what I can do is I can click and drag this out, and it seems as if the video brightness is going down, as you can see right here. But what is happening is the opacity is getting lowered. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around and bring in this particular graphics right here, so you can see that this is a logo right here, just like this, which is of a small resolution. Let me just go around and bring in something else, like let's say, for example, this footage right here. So if I were to go around and then resize this, place it somewhere, then you can see that I cannot see through this particular footage right here. But if I were to take my opacity envelope and then drag this down, you can see that it is transparent, and you get this effect right here, just like this. So what you can also do is you can hold Control on your keyboard right here and then add in points right here and change the opacity envelope right here, just like this. And if you were to go around and make the envelope something like this, like this part is on the top and then it gradually goes down over here, then what happens is that you can see that it slowly comes up right here, just like this. And then the video starts playing, as you can see, and then it slowly goes down over there as well. Similarly, you can go around over here and hold Control right here, just like this, and then drag this down, and what you have is this. So you can see that it slowly fades in right here, just like this, and it slowly fades in over here as well. And you can go around, hold Control right here, just like this, and then you can change around the opacity envelope right here, just like this as well. So you can go around, drag this up. So if I were to press the play button, you can see the opacity envelope is down and up, and you get a type of effect right here. And that is how you can utilize the opacity envelope inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.